Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So this is a bit formatted thing. So I have changed the format of the date to it will show you like 1st October 2022, but when you will enter it, you have to enter it like 10 1st 2022, which is a USA format. So you will get the right formats. And here the yes no filter drop down has been added so that you can select only two. Similarly, for the Keith and Kara has already been added these dates. These are the wrong dates, so you cannot put like this 2 p.m. or 2 p.m. or just like that. So if you want to add time, a timestamp, you can always use the notes, or maybe we can add another column if you want to make the time. Otherwise, you can use these as well because we are not using these column for any further modification. So yeah, you can use this as well. But if you want to see the same format, we cannot use this dash 1 to 2 p.m. So more likely this is basically like a date note column. Then this conditional formatting has been added. So if any of the date, which is like if the notification date is 6 September and the alert date is 27, which has already been passed. So today in Pakistan it's 27 September, so it turned red. But for this one, this is 7 September, but this one is 6 September. So yeah, if it should be 26 September. So if one day left in reaching the alert date, one day before it will turn orange, and on the day of alert it will turn red. Similarly, this one will give you the counts of days, how many count days left. So here 8 September, 28 September, it's almost about to reach, which is 1st September, one day left because tomorrow will be 28 September. To reach this 30th September, 3 days left. To reach the 6th December limit, alert date, 70 days left. Similarly, onward. I'll fix this orange color. So yeah, all these headings are also been made. There is a table now, and if you want to add another entry in here, you can always click on the last cell and press tab so that a new entry will be here. So you can add new demo details. You can always add like this. So these are the two ways you can add the new entries. The same formatting has been applied on this one. I haven't deleted the rest of the data. Sorry, this is the old one data. So I haven't deleted this data for the. Yeah, I think I need to change the heading. Okay, I'll make the heading change. Let me do that now. I have kept that for you so that we can have. Yeah, let's keep it 2022 so that you can for the next year you can change this to 2023. Let me hide this because I just want to keep it as a record. And these are the controls. You don't need any more colors here. We can hide these columns as well. Let's leave it. Okay, so these are the names you can use on the drop down here, Keith and Kara. And on the controls here, you can add more status. Those will automatically be reflected on this, and you will see no empty columns. I have another thing has been added, which is this, which is showing that how much percentage of these notifications. Currently, 4 notifications are from Kara, and 3 are from Keith. So it's showing the percentage as well. Similarly, on this table, you can see the chart as well here, 57% and for 3%. And as you will add more, let me add another Kara maybe. Let me add another maybe two more. You can select that and control D. This will duplicate. So now you can see the percentage will dynamically change. Okay, so the color scheme has also been updated. So if you will select any of these, the golden, the accent you just told me the color scheme, this will be working on this one. Yep. Uh, Not working for all. Let me fix this. 1004. Yeah, okay. This will work. No problem. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further, like if you want to make any changes or something. Please let me know. Thank you.